Picture this, it is 2 a.m. and I'm standing in my kitchen staring at a vision board I made 6 months ago. Every goal on it, unchecked, every dream, still just that, a dream. I felt like a fraud. Here I was preaching about the power of positive thinking and I could not even manifest a decent night's sleep. But what happened next changed everything. Stick around because I am about to share the secret that turned my life around and it is going to blow your mind. Let us get real for a second. We have all been there, right? You read a self-help book, get all fired up and decides this is the year you are going to crush it. You make vision boards, repeat affirmations until you are blue in the face and wait for the universe to roll out the red carpet to your dreams. But then crickets. Nothing happens. Why? Because most of us are doing it all wrong. We are treating the law of attraction like it's some kind of cosmic vending machine. Think about it. How many times have you said, I hope I get that promotion? Or I want to be rich, and how is that working out for you? It's like trying to win the lottery by wishing really, really hard. Spoiler alert. That is not how it works. You are focused on what you lack, not on what you are creating. It is like trying to drive a car by staring at the rear view mirror. You are gonna crash and burn, my friend. Here is the real deal. It is not about hoping or wanting. It is about intending. When you set an intention, you are not just daydreaming, you are programming your brain to seek out opportunities. It is like giving your mind a mission. Stay with me. I intend to crush my goals and live an epic life. Feel that. That is your brain shifting gears, getting ready to make it happen. But here is the kicker. Intention without action is like a car without gas. It looks pretty, but it ain't going anywhere. You need to back up that intention with consistent, focused action every single day. Now, I can hear some of you thinking, but I have tried that. I set intention, I take action, and still nothing happens. I get it. I have been there. It feels like you are speaking a language the universe does not understand, right? How many vision boards have you made that are now collecting dust in your closet? How many affirmations have you repeated without seeing a shred of evidence that they are working? It is frustrating as hell. It is enough to make you want to throw in the towel and resign yourself to a life of mediocrity. But here is where the magic happens. The secret sauce is not just in setting intentions or taking action. It is in aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions. It is about creating a vibe so powerful that the universe cannot help but respond. Here is how it works. First, you visualize your goal, but do not just see it, feel it. I mean really feel it. If your goal is to own a beach house, don't just picture the house. Imagine the salt air on your skin, the sound of waves crashing, the feeling of sand between your toes. Make it so real your brain cannot tell the difference between imagination and reality. Then carry that feeling with you throughout your day. Let it infuse everything you do. And here is the crucial part. Take inspired action. Ask yourself, if I already had this goal, what would I be doing right now? Then do that thing. It is about becoming the person who already has what you want. Let me give you an example. Remember that 2 a.m. kitchen moment I mentioned? Well, the next morning I decided to try this approach. My big goal was to become a successful motivational speaker, so I started dressing like I was already booked for TED Talks. I practiced my speeches in the shower. I even started introducing myself as a transformational speaker at networking events. Was it uncomfortable? Hell yes. Did I feel like a fraud sometimes? You bet. But here is what happened. People started treating me differently. Opportunities began to pop up out of nowhere. Within 6 months, I had my first paid speaking gig. A year later, I was on stage in front of thousands. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. That is great for you, but what about when life throws you curvy balls? What about obstacles? And you are absolutely right to ask, because life is not all unicorns and rainbows, no matter how hard you intend it to be. We have all had those moments where it feels like the universe is conspiring against us. Your car breaks down the day you get laid off. Your partner leaves when you are at your lowest. You finally book that dream vacation and bam, global pandemic. It is enough to make you want to give up on this whole law of attraction thing, right? But here is the truth bomb. Obstacles are not roadblocks, they are redirect signs. They are not there to stop you, they are there to make you stronger, smarter, more resilient. When you hit a wall, that is your cue to get creative. Instead of asking, why is this happening to me? Ask, what can I learn from this? How can I use this to get even closer to my goal? It's about being flexible, not giving up. It is about trusting that every setback is setting you up for an even bigger comeback. Look, the law of attraction is not some mystical hocus pocus. It's not about sitting on your couch thinking happy thoughts and waiting for miracles. It is about harnessing the incredible power of your mind, aligning it with your emotions and actions, and persisting through challenges. It is the difference between being a passenger in your life and taking the driver's seat. So here is your mission. Should you choose to accept it, set a clear intention right now. Something big, something that scares you a little. Feel it in your bones. Believe it with every fiber of your being. Then do one thing, no matter how small, to move towards it. And tomorrow, do it again, and the next day, and the next. Remember, you are not just hoping for a better future, you are actively creating it. You are not a victim of circumstance. You are the architect of your reality. Every thought, every feeling, every action is a brick in the foundation of your dreams. So are you ready to unleash your mind's superpower? Are you ready to turn the law of attraction from woo-woo nonsense into your secret weapon for success? The universe is waiting. The only question is, are you brave enough to answer the call? Now, go out there and make some magic happen. Your future self is counting on you. Thank you for watching.